Sustainable recovery flip-flop. Modular flip-flop for easy maintenance. Using reusable material TPE for nature. Shock absorption heel cushioning system and system. Now Guy Ram's Ewig 221.
Hi, we're Done Guy Rams, the maker of the flip-flops you see here. We're here to give you the rundown on Ewig 221. You've never seen shoes like this before. They're real special. The whole shoe's modularized so you can change out parts whenever you need. That means these shoes will last forever. Plus, they're reusable, so they're great for the planet too. See? We weren't kidding about them being special. Alright, let's take a closer look at what's going on beneath the surface. Get a look at this. The 221's footbed is made with sustainability in mind. The footbed's made with optimum firmness for maximum comfort. There's also the end system, our exclusive cushion technology for maximum ankle comfort and ankle health. There are no adhesives used whatsoever, so you can take apart the outside and straps no problem. That means you can swap out just the damaged parts of the shoe or swap in new colors when you want to try out a new style. The 221's made with reusable TPE, so if you wear them out after a while and can't use them anymore, just send us your damaged parts and we'll use them to make your new straps and outsoles. So, you'll never have to toss a pair of shoes in the trash. You can also just purchase new parts to replace the damaged parts of your shoe. Just swap in the new parts and you're ready to go. That's the concept behind the Ewig 221, the shoes that you can use forever. They're better for your feet and great for reducing carbon emissions too. We know you like them, so come on and give them a try. They come at a great price too. The more support our campaign gets from backers like you, the more product we can deliver, and the more we can do to make sure our shoes make it safely to your doorstep. Choose Ewig 221 today for better feet and a better world.